Okay, I'm just going to show you how to work the auto parking system in this 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. It is quite spooky because it actually brakes you as well. You do have to stand by and cover the brake, but anyway, let's just kind of get on with it. So if I put that in drive, press the parking, it says drive forwards to search for parking space. So it's searching for parking space. Stop the vehicle to park. Confirm to park. So confirm. Engage reverse gear. Reverse gear is there. This is the scary bit. So I am covering the brake, but, well, I've not got my foot on the brake at all. So let's just see what happens here. So I'm not touching it. I'm not touching anything. It's slowing down. Okay. I've not. It scares me to death, honestly. I never touched the brake. I never touched the steering wheel. It's plonked me right in the middle of that space. It's not, you know, not a particularly tight one, but even so, most people would struggle to get in it. I didn't touch the brake, didn't touch the steering, parked perfectly. It is a good system. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.